Hello everyone, I'm Veronica. Welcome to my garden in Zone 6A. Today I'm going to be planting Casa Blanca Lily. It's a perennial bulb and it gives you a very fragrant white flower. And Liatris. It's a cylinder in shape and it gives you nice light purple blooms. I forced the bulbs that I bought from Home Depot back in March, put them in these little pots, and now I'm going to plant them. So let's get planting. So I'm going to be planting it right here. I think this is a good spot. I have a bubble hydrangea, lavender, and nepeta, and it's going to grow pretty tall. I think around here, over there, maybe right there, and it's going to look nice. Okay, let's plant the Casa Blanca first. Needs a little bit more. I'm going to put in like a tablespoon of bone meal. This is good for the bulb to get good root development, and a little bit of water. Okay, now I need to bury a stake to stake it up. And I'm using Velcro garden tape to attach it to the stake. Okay, and this should give me nice blooms for the in the summer. Now we're gonna plant the Liatris. Okay, so that's all planted. Okay, so this is the Casa Blanca Oriental Lily. It's all planted up. And the Liatris. Let's see how they do. Well, thank you for watching. Happy gardening. See you next time.